Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I would like to show to you how to turn off this automatically updating apps on your Android. And the way how to do it, first, let's open the Google Play Store like this. And here, you need to click the picture profile of your account. Sorry, my mistake. Let's go back to the Google Play Store. You need to click it, and on your profile setting, click the setting button here, and after that, click the network preference. Now you can see there's a three choice of updating your apps. For example, for the auto updates, there's a fourth choice. You can update it with when you connect to Wi-Fi, or maybe you just use your mobile data, or maybe you can update it with your Wi-Fi connection only, and you can click to the don't auto update the apps, so you will manually updating the apps that you want to update. And now we will try to click this don't auto update apps like that and go back, and now it's done. Your automatically update apps, it's not available now. So to update your apps, you need to click manually onto your Google Play Store, and that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.